In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can clear your browsing data on the Microsoft Edge browser for mobile. Very much simple and easy. So what we are going to do is we tap on the hamburger menu you see at the bottom right of your screen when you launch your app. Good. And now we move to our settings. Good. And on our settings, we move to privacy and security. Yes, and you can see clear browsing data. So we can just tap on that there. And just like on Google Chrome, you can select all these here, your browsing history, your cookies and site data, your cached images and files, all your tabs and everything. And you can select the time range, your last hour, your 24 hours, your last 7 days, last month, which is 4 weeks, and then all time. It's up to you. And even your last 15 minutes. And then you tap on the delete. Or you can also turn on this option, which is I think is nicer, clear your browsing data upon exit. So when you use the browser and then you just exit it, you clear your browsing data, something like that. So that's an option you can turn on like this if you want it on and off. So now to delete your browsing data, just tap on the delete here. Good. And now it has been deleted. So that's it on how you delete your browsing data on Microsoft Edge browser for mobile. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.